You know, when you're drowning, you don't actually inhale until right before you're about to black out. It's called voluntary apnea. It's like no matter how much you're freaking out, the instinct to not let water in is so strong, you won't open your mouth until you feel like your head's exploding. Ooh. But when you finally do let it in, that's when it stops hurting. It's not scary anymore. It's actually kind of peaceful. Oh, on a ship. Reblogging that. Just because a bunch of dumbasses dragged him into a pool when he couldn't swim doesn't mean he's allowed to kill them off one by one. Obviously. And by the way, my dad said that they found pictures of Allison on his computer. Not just her. Matt photoshopped himself into them. Stuff like them holding hands and kissing. Oh god. Like he'd built this whole fake relationship. So drowning may have sent him off the rails. But the dude was definitely riding the crazy train.